Done to the Trak Racer. A couple months ago, I went ahead and did some mods, and a lot of you guys asked what it turned out like. Well, here it is. It's not ready for game time, and welcome to my creative mess, but here we go. So, a couple things I did here. This is actually a 4-monitor setup. You guys might not recognize it from the back. I got one monitor here on top. That one's going to serve as just instructions, PDF files, things like that. And then here's the other ones. And turned out really good. I'm happy with it. I went ahead and I mounted the speakers back here. Again, like I said, welcome to my creative mess. And then these speakers here are going to the subwoofer I had before. And it gives us a really good experience. My problem that I had here was the fact that I needed to get these monitors up. I've had these monitors, I didn't want to just throw them away, I didn't want to just stow them, so I decided to utilize them like this. Any questions on this? Like I said, Trak Racer is a great product. They really helped me out. They were there for me when I asked questions. They sent me some parts because I wanted to make some improvements. And that's what we came up with. So here's the promised bonus, as I stated. This is a regular table. The biggest thing I had here before was the issue that the thickness of the top of the table, which sits right here on top, made it impossible with this bar that I removed. The bar was about this thickness here, except there was one here. This one here I removed earlier, and I went ahead and decided to remove the other side here. But since this is a cheap table, I wanted to kind of reinforce it. And what I did is I bolted it down. I bought these really big bolts and nuts and washers. So I secured it here with 2 of them on this side, 2 of them on this side here, and they're anchored right here on the edge. And gave the table some stability here, probably more stability than it had when I purchased it. So what I want to do is this enables me to maybe slide these boards out. They're down here on the floor. And I'll kind of show that to you more action on some other future videos, to be able to slide it out and maybe put a keyboard on top. But this kind of cleared out my desk. The monitors are now off the desk, so I can slide the computers in. Anyway, like I said, you guys asked, so I wanted to give you guys a little preview what the new Death Star will look like. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Till next time, take care.